see angels all around me. I feel heaven coming down. I know that the end is near. I know Jesus is here. I see angels all around me. I feel heaven coming down. I know that the end is near. I know Jesus is here.
First, bless the Lord of this new month, for the month of
Good morning. Welcome to another day in the vlog. I have my companion here with me. I don't know why I made so much coffee because I hardly finished coffee. Like, I should have made half of that cup. I'm not gonna finish it, you're gonna see. By the time it gets halfway, it'll be stone cold. Anyway, today's a rainy day, as you guys have seen. So whenever it gets super cool and rainy like this, I put it upon myself to do what I wouldn't necessarily be able to do if it was like 30 degrees Celsius outside. So I want to clear out my wardrobe. There's a mountain of clothes next to me that I'm gonna try to hide from you guys. Anyway, here it is. I don't need to hide it, right? Yeah, we listen, we don't judge. So I need to just like sort my life out. I just want to be able to see what I have so that when I need to make outfits, I don't end up wearing the same thing all the time. Because I've been wearing the same thing all the time. I just wear a t-shirt and shorts or jean shorts all the time. We're gonna do that today, and we're just gonna play dress up and see what we can put together. I'm gonna inquire with Pinterest to help me in terms of like the outfits I can make. But first, coffee. Okay.
ensemble.
I know my parents loved me, stand behind me, come what may. Ooh, and where it come from, the city life, and where it come from.
Oh, I can hang out with your pops. You still got your ticket? You're messing up my schedule. Why she gonna play the guitar in my car?
Asked you to come home, go.
That is no business. Liberty for me. Get in the car.
I love you too. In a minute, Mom's gonna bring out the turkey to the table, and Dad'll say, "Look at the legs on that bird. I'm talking about your mama, not the turkey."
To go ahead and thank your mama for me. Lord knows what I did to deserve it.
All night if I have to, but I'm gonna get this routine. Winifred, a wise person, once said, "Those who can, step."
Okay, cool. Okay. Hey guys, welcome to another day in the vlog. I was supposed to get ready with you, but I was running out of time and I ended up not doing my makeup. It's too hot to do my makeup, so this is me for the day. Period. I am going on a girl date with a friend of mine. I just wanted to show you my outfit for the day. This is my outfit. Top is from H&M. Shorts are from Mr. Price. Belt is from H&M. Sunnies are from Foschini. Jewelry is from Lovisa. And then I'm gonna wear my black Woolies sandals. And then my fragrances of the day is Pink Cashmere from Juice Fragrances. Okay, yeah, wow. Okay, and then that I'm gonna layer it with this Bella Rosa from Oscar de la Renta. This is such a pretty feminine scent. I absolutely love it, and it's almost finished. Okay, let me go. Let's go, guys. We are late. Well, we're not late, we're on time, but I just don't want to be late. Let's go. Oh yeah, and this is my bag for the day from Mr. Price. How cute. I love it. Hi guys, a quick one here. Happy Saturday. Just wanted to let you know what's going on today and what I'm doing. So I, first of all, look really pretty. Okay, whatever. I'm about to go for a brunch girl date with my friend Kaylin. So we're just gonna meet up and catch up and yap as girlies. I'm so excited. I never thought I would like wear makeup today because it's hot, but it's not as hot as it can get in Durban. So yeah, let's go eat. I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten the whole day, so yeah, so cute. I look so cute. Hello, hi, welcome to another day in the vlog. Today is Tuesday and we don't have power at home. We have a power outage currently, so I did all that I could without power and electricity. My phone is about to die. I need internet. I have internet, but I just need to charge my phone. So I'm gonna go out and do that. Gonna go to the mall and get some food for myself, some pasta. So yeah, that's what I'm getting ready to do. I just want to show you guys my current hair routine ever since I cut my hair. So I have natural hair now, right? Not that I didn't have natural hair the whole time, but I have like natural hair, as some would say. So what's the basic routine for natural hair? It's the lock method, which is LOC, L being liquid, O being oil, C being cream, right? So let me fill you in on my current lock method. This is my Owl, which is a liquid leave-in conditioner from Mizani. This 25 Miracle Milk leave-in conditioner. I've already done my routine, so I'm not gonna spray it. I forgot to record, excuse me. So yeah, this is my Owl, which is a leave-in conditioner. That's a liquid, it's a spray. And then for my oil is this all-in-one hair oil therapy from Masodi. It's quite thick, it's lovely, a little goes a long way, hence why I still have so much of this after so long. And then yeah, I just do that after the liquid. And then this is my cream. This is a hair dress, also from Mizani. The paper, yeah, got torn out, but this is what it looks like. So it's kind of like a cream oil moisturizer type of thing. It's like a moisturizer, yeah. The Mizani products smell very strong in my opinion. They don't smell very nice. So yeah, I've already done that on my hair. I don't know if you can tell, but I just wanted to moisturize my hair. I'm not really gonna comb it out because I really like these curls. And then for my lips, on my lips, I'm putting on the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Cheeky. I need to get more of these. And yeah, so let's go. I'm gonna go do some editing and all other admin stuff that I need to do and get through, and just have a cutesy solo date with myself, because what in the ghetto of this power outage is this? Let's go, guys. Please forgive my vlogging style. Like, it's been over a year, well, at almost a year, and I've been out of this, so I really want to get back into it. I just need to find my style. I'm a lot more comfortable with short form because it's literally like just 2 seconds of each thing that I'm doing, but now YouTube is like a lot longer, and I need to rewatch my videos and just see like what I can change. But anyway, guys, let's go. Oh, I'm so tired. Let's go.
Use me as I flow in your anointing.
you.